Kaizen is one of the most powerful ways to make change. Simply put, Kaizen means continuous improvement. The Kaizen event has many different timelines and formats that can be adapted to any organization's needs. The most common Kaizen event is 1 week. These events bring together frontline workers, experts, and sometimes outside coaches that help to make the improvements. The events are planned out and follow the PDCA format and often include specific goals and objectives. Kaizen events are generally used when implementing pull systems and shifting from functional manufacturing layouts to cellular manufacturing layouts. You may have also heard of the term Kaizen Blitz. Blitzes are a rapid improvement event that can be done in 10 minutes, half a day, a full day, or even shorter if need be. They are designed to make fast improvements or impact an opportunity or an issue very quickly. Regardless of the timeline, Kaizens generally require planning and attention to detail, especially with regards to finding and removing the 8 forms of waste. Keep in mind that however you decide to put aside time for implementing pull or improving an area, people must understand that Kaizen is a requirement in their jobs. As such, a culture of Kaizen and a mindset of problem solving are very critical. One important thing to note is that people will need time for Kaizen and Kaizen maintenance. Now, let's keep moving forward and learning how to implement pull and improvements. See you in the next module.